Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher fail to initialize. So the first step to try is to open up your Steam, go to Library, click Add a Game, and then press Add a Non-Steam Game. From there you want to find Rockstar Launcher. If you cannot find it like this, then you want to go ahead and click Browse, and then it should be on your program files right there. Then you want to find Rockstar Games Launcher, and you want to choose launcher.exe and add it right there, and after that you're gonna click play. If that didn't work, then you want to go ahead on search here, write down services, open up, and then you want to scroll down until you will see program compatibility. Here it is, program compatibility assistant. You want to go ahead and double click on it, and you want to make sure that the startup type is automatic and that the service status is running. If it's not running, click start, apply, and OK. If that still didn't work, you want to go to your installed apps. On installed apps, you want to find Rockstar Games and Rockstar Games Launcher, uninstall it and install it again by downloading it from your browser. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.